Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Canva subscription, right? It's very easy to do it. For example, right now I'm into my Canva, so I will just go to the home. Right, once you are into the home, you will see the profile icon which is on the top right? So if I just click on this, then I will get a drop down and there is a lot of functions here. So we have to just tap on these settings. Once we are into our settings, right, on the left side you will get a lot of features here. In the bottom one you will find option which is called billing and plans, right? So just click on this. By the way, if you have a subscription or if you have taken a purchased or paid plan of Canva by your company that is called a professional one, so here you will show you will get an option of another option which is called that company or something like the professional one, right? So this is my personal. So once I'm here, instead of this Canva free, whatever the subscription or paid plan you have taken, it will show here. Then you have to just click on the three dots, which will be, it will be here. So once you click there, you will get an option and this box will come up and you will get a option to cancel in the place of upgrade, right? So in this way, once you click on the cancel, it will get canceled here. And in this way, you can just cancel your Canva subscription in just few taps or few steps, right? So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.